What is up, guys? GrandeHustleTrader here, coming at you live on what is today? Tuesday afternoon, man. So just got up, took a quick 3-hour nap after trading all night long. Was up the entire London session. Just stalking pound USD, man. So I'm gonna break down that trade for you guys. I know trading during high impact news, especially during CPI, can be extremely risky. But as I mentioned in one of my last videos, if the probabilities are stacked on your side and you've got your chart pretty clearly marked up, you've got key zones marked up, you can see price holding at certain key levels, that's still a trade I would take even during high impact news. So today I'm going to break down today's big winner during CPI on pound USD. All right, so I'm going to dive into the chart. Alright guys, so this is a daily view here. Obviously this entire candle hadn't been printed yet. We're still trading below 1.23. So for the most part, we're stuck in about, I think it was like a 40-45 pip range the entire London session, at least all London open, up into US pre-open session, which was right when the news hit, which was right at 8:30 a.m. New York Central Time. So I'm gonna dive down to the 4-hour chart, kind of give you the reasons why I took this trade during such a volatile period. So if you look here, I had this key zone marked off below, which is a 4-hour price imbalance. There's this tiny gap here that I kind of was hoping was not gonna get filled, because a break below here would mean for me that this is gonna turn bearish. So I was watching price all London, pre-London, London open, and as you can see, price kept rejecting the same area right here, which was right around 1.2275. This trade setup I had already sent out to my members, which are here at this free Telegram channel. This is the link. This is a trade plan I had already sent out. I think it was at 2 in the morning. So all of these candles had not printed yet. When we got in, I believe it was here at the 3 a.m. candle when price came back. And as you can see here, it pierced below and then shot right back up. As you can see, this trade plan was very good. The drawdown was only about the max drawdown here, and it happened during CPI. This was a low of 122.753. Our entry was at 122.805. So it was about what, a 5 pip drawdown. Excellent trade. I'm gonna break it down even further, the 15-minute view. Give you some more of the reasons why I was very confident in this trade. So as I said, my members were already in this trade during this time here. This is a candle that tapped us into the trade. Price pulled away. Now what I did like here is that we had formed a recent new high during pre-London open, right? 2:30 a.m. New York time. Had a pullback retracement, got us into the trade, immediately rushed away, right? So we traded above 123.00. We almost tapped into this buy side liquidity. Price held, pulled back down for another retracement, retested the same entry level, came down to 122.76.1, and then we had this push away. So when I saw this key level here start to begin to hold as support, and I saw that this breaker had not been filled the entire gap, I was very confident that we were on the right track. Now, had price done something like, if price would have done something like this, where it breaks for a new low, breaks below the breaker, breaks below the Asian session, comes to fill this in, at this point, I would have been out of the trade. Because what I think would have happened, what could have happened, is that this could have made some kind of formation like this. And then these lows here most likely would have held as resistance for the new leg to the downside, right? That would have been a possible bearish situation. But because price held, the odds were stacked in our favor. And then the only obvious thing we could see as to why we're stuck in this range here is because of the news. They were holding price. They're going to wait till news release to give the final impulse move, right? Back to the upside. So this was a very nice 3.33 risk reward ratio trade setup. So you can see very light drawdown, 5 pips. As soon as the news hit, which was right at this candle, price shot up quickly in an instant, smashed through all the take profits, and then made those new highs for the day. We filled the daily price imbalance, shot past that. Another key level here was a 4-hour price imbalance with buy side liquidity, which is the minimal target we're aiming for, right? And then we had this 4-hour breaker, which is no longer valid because price just went completely past that, completely ignored that zone. And it continued to shoot up. So now we have a new zone that's being respected. We shot through a weekly price imbalance, so all that got filled in already to the upside. And this daily order block is now the new level we're going to look out for as our form of resistance, right? So price is currently holding there. I don't expect a massive move to happen tomorrow. I don't even think there's high impact news tomorrow for the US. Let me just check the calendar right quick. And if there is, it's nothing too significant. There's some high impact news for the pound that could create some volatility. And there's all this retail sales, high impact news for US. So there might be some volatility, but nothing compared to what happened today. So again, guys, that was a breakdown for pound USD buy trade during CPI news. Absolutely killed it. Beautiful trade. Again, these are situations that I only take when the odds are severely stacked in my favor and my key zones are holding as anticipated. All right, guys. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, shoot me a message on TradingView. You can find me on my Telegram channel. This is the link right here. Jot it down. Hop in. I don't charge anybody anything. I'm here to help you guys out. Popping out free trades every single week. We're running 16 months straight consecutive winning months since the channel started, 0 losing months. All right, guys. So I encourage you to join. It's a small community. Again, I'm just here to help you out. I encourage communication, feedback, questions in my channel. So yeah, guys, that's about it. Look forward to seeing you all there. Take care and God bless.